Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can install the latest version of Python on a Windows 10 machine. So I have the command prompt open, and what we're going to do is we're going to verify whether we have Python installed or not. We'll use the command Python -version, and as you can see, it says Python not found. So we have to install it. Now to install it, we just need to open a browser. I'm going to open Google Chrome, and then I'm going to search for Python download right here. So I'm just going to click on this link that takes us to python.org. Click on the link. Here it says download the latest version for Windows. So this one right here. If you're using another OS, such as Linux, you have to click on one of these links right here. So for us, we'll just go with this one. So I'm going to click here, and the download already started. It's not a big file, and it's already done. So the download is completed here. I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Let me minimize this, and I'll minimize this as well. I'm going to go to the downloads folder here, and as you can see, this is the file. All I'm going to have to do is double click on it. So we get this setup window right here. Now the option you want to make sure you have checked here is the add python.exe to the path. So make sure you have this checked. And then we'll go with customize installation, which allows us to choose location and features. So I'm going to click this, and it's already got these options checked, pip. So it's going to install pip for us, and it's going to install documentation. So I'm going to go with these defaults here. So I'll click next here. So here I'll need to check this option that installs Python for all users. And then I'm going to leave the other defaults here. And you can customize the installation location. I'm going to leave the default. I'm going to click install. And here you have to give permission. So I'll go with yes. And it's installing. And as you can see here, setup was successful. So the installation is complete. We can close this. We'll go ahead and reopen the command prompt and check the version of Python. So let's run the command Python -version. And as you can see, we have Python 3.12.4. That's the version that's installed. And we can do, if I did Python here, it also tells me the version, the date, and I can even try some Python code here. So let's do 10 times 10 here. Let's do print hello. Another tool that gets installed with Python is idle. So if you wanted to get started with the Python code, you can run idle. So just search for idle. It's right here. And this shell allows us to run different commands. So I can do the same thing. 10 times 10, 10 times 20. You can do print hello, And that's it for this video. That's how you install the latest version of Python on Windows 10. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.